Welcome to the UrbeRoma tutorial. UrbeRoma is a service that uses the Telegram platform to bring drivers and customers closer together in the simplest and fastest way. You can book the car from the following day onwards at an agreed price. A sharing service is also available for one or two people going to the airport. For the most demanding, a luxury transport service with camper is also available. You are 7 people looking for a ride to the Vatican, Colosseum, Trevi, Spanish Steps, the Central Station, airports, Port of Civitavecchia, permanent provisions outside Rome, and for all other routes. Book today for tomorrow. Remember to write your phone number, otherwise we cannot contact you. Send the message like this: name and mobile number, day and time of departure, departure address, destination, how many people, how many bags. The driver will send you a message to confirm the booking, otherwise the booking was unsuccessful. The platform uses the information you have provided only to offer you the service and has no cost for the customer. Use the simplest service to get around the city. The links to use the service are in the first comment. Thanks for following me and have a good trip.